In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take your videos from looking like this to looking like this in few easy steps on Capcut. If you're ready for this, let's go. Guys, so the first place you're going to come to is Capcut, and you're going to go ahead and click new project and then go ahead and select the video you want to edit. So I want to edit this one. Remember to click on video,
I'm
going to show you
okay,
how you can
and then
easily
you click
take your
add.
video.
All right, so now that you have it on Capcut, I was just trying to listen to
video.
So now that you have it on Capcut, we're gonna click on it, okay, and then you're gonna scroll and look for filters. All right, so you click on filters. You can choose whichever filter you want. I always like the focus filter, and you can just scroll over here to get it. Now, this filter requires the Pro version, but if you use an Android phone, I will put a link in the description box where you can download the CapCut Pro for free. All right, but if you use Apple, I'm sorry, I don't have any other option for you, but do focus and then reduce it to 50%, okay? And then click OK. Now we're going to click on adjust, okay? You see this place that says auto adjust, okay? You click on it and move it all the way down to 35, okay? And then you go to the brightness. It's bright enough. We don't need to brighten it. But if you record it in a dark place, you can brighten it, can you see? Or you can reduce the brightness, okay? As for me, I'd like to reduce it a little bit. So we're going to do -2. Then you go to the contrast. Now what the contrast does is to contrast the colors. Now you can see when I move it up, it makes the dark part darker, and when I move it down, it makes everything lighter. So the contrast, we're going to move it to like 10, okay? Now saturation, what saturation does is, let me show you. So when you reduce it, you can see that it's reducing the colors and it's, you know, making it grayscale. But when you increase it, you can see what it has done to my skin, increasing it. All right, so we're going to put that in 8. All right, and now the next thing is exposure. So if you reduce the exposure, can you see what it does? And if you increase it, you can also see what it does. All right, so we're going to reduce this to -5 and leave it there. Then we're going to go to sharpen, and we're going to move that to 20. Okay, I like to leave sharpen at 20. Don't touch the HSL, don't touch the graphs. It's for more professional video editors. Now we're going to go to highlight, okay? And I use highlight. Highlight can make it either very bright or it can cool it down. So I use highlight to cool it down a little bit, and we're going to move that to -6. All right, the shadow is going to make my hair darker and the dark part's darker, so -9. Now the temperature can either make it really warm like this, okay, or it can make it cool like this. I always like my videos cool, so I make the temperature -8. All right, then you go to the hue. The hue can, you know, make it like purpley like that, or make it like on a blue scale, and I like either one. It just depends on the video, what you're wearing, how you want your video to turn out. So I'm gonna make the hue -7. All right, and if you have edited your videos and you've cut it and all of that, you're going to click on apply to all, and then you're going to click on yes. And so guys, you can see what it looks like now. So I'm going to download it, and I'm going to compare this video
like this
with the other video, okay? Now remember to remove this ending. This ending is the one that shows CapCut. You don't want that to show in your video, so remember to delete it. Now let me show you, let me import the video again, okay, so that we can see what it looks like side by side. All right, so now this is the edited video and this is the raw video. So you can see, you take your video from this to this, super easy. All right guys, if this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.